Hello, I'm Robert Allman with American Road Patch, and we appreciate your time in viewing this short video. Our intent is to show you a product that will provide you with an easy, effective, and long-term solution to the pothole and road repair. American Road Patch was developed over 5 years ago and is being tested in many areas of the country. We currently have it on the busiest interstates, on state and county roads, in neighborhoods, and on driveways. The performance of American Road Patch has been phenomenal. The product has been awarded 2 domestic and 1 international patents and is now being introduced in the paving and road repair industry. Our company, ABH Enterprises, located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, is the national manufacturer for the product. And our sister company, Strategic Sourcing Group, is the national master distributor. You can visit our website at AmericanRoadPatch.com for additional information or to contact us about using this innovative product. Repairing potholes has always been difficult in that traditional methods last for very short periods of time. In some instances, the pothole returns in just a few days. The reason this happens is a repaired pothole is not completely sealed, and water infiltrates into the affected area and the pothole returns. Going back and consistently repairing the same potholes over and over costs time and money. American Road Patch works because it's placed over the existing pothole and immediately adheres to and actually becomes part of the road. Where American Road Patch has been used, it has provided years of maintenance-free service. In the long run, American Road Patch saves time and money over conventional methods of pothole repair. I'd like for you to watch this very short instructional video on how to repair potholes with American Road Patch and see the testimonials from professionals who've used this product successfully. We greatly appreciate your time and hope that you will consider using American Road Patch in the near future.
I'm Mark Nelson, Tuscaloosa County Commissioner. We've used this product for over a year and have found that the durability and effectiveness has not been compromised during that time. Oftentimes we were forced to repair the same pothole on numerous occasions. With American Road Patch, this time frame is extended and it's much more cost-effective to the county.
I'm Scott Anders, the county engineer for Tuscaloosa County. We've been using American Road Patch for quite some time and have had really good success with it. The potholes we have repaired have been maintenance-free for well over a year. We found that if installed correctly, the American Road Patch works very well.
American Road Patch has an adhesive backing which bonds both to asphalt and concrete road surfaces. Once the release film is removed, simply place the patch over the pothole and it will adhere to become part of the permanent roadway. In ambient temperatures at or below 70 degrees, torching the road surface around the pothole is necessary to activate the adhesive backing. This will ensure a bond between the patch and road surface for many years to come.
Yeah, I'm Tracy Chris, Tuscaloosa County Assistant County Engineer, and we're very excited to be working with American Road Patch. It's an innovative product. It provides a low-cost, simple, effective way to do a road patch. It requires very little labor. We do not have to shut down roads. We do not have to, bring in multiple crews to do a lot of this patching. It can be done simply with just a few people and very little time.
This is a typical pothole which left unattended is obviously a safety issue, a road hazard, and can be a liability to the county. Typical patching method in this type pothole would be a temporary fix at best. We're looking at maybe hitting it 2 or 3 times in a year with cold mix or with a hot mix patch. With American Road Patch, we're able to patch the hole with some cold mix, come over the top, seal the hole, keep the water out, and therefore giving us a more permanent, long-term fix. First step is to remove any loose debris around the hole, in the hole, get anything out that may prevent the patch from making a good solid contact with the existing road, therefore we get a good seal. Next we'll put the cold mix in the hole, filling in any voids, compacted best we can with a hand tamp. This particular hole we'll place the cold mix in 3 or 4 lifts so we can get a good compaction on the bottom layer. As the cold mix is laid, we'll come through, we'll rake it, we'll smooth it out, just put it in even lifts. So when the road patch goes down, it would the final surface will be a good smooth ride. This being a bigger pothole than normal, it's going to require 2 strips of the American Road Patch. The installation of that will be just the same as doing 1 strip. We will overlap in the center here approximately 4 inches, thus ensuring the watertight seal, which is in turn what gives us the long-term fix as opposed to a traditional just cold mix patch. Once the patch is installed, we'll tamp it in just like we would normally. We'll tamp along the center line to ensure a watertight seal. As you can see, the finished product of the American Road Patch is a aesthetically pleasing look. It blends in with the road. It's obviously better than what was there before. We had approximately 10 minutes in this patch. Traffic was still allowed to flow and will be allowed to flow over it immediately now. The finished product that we have here is a watertight seal thanks to the American Road Patch, which will allow us years of maintenance-free service.